Oh, what's poppin', you guys? We're here to reveal the Squadra wrap. I'm so pumped. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotic. We're currently in the 2001 Integra Type R with the championship white exterior and the red Recaro interior. These were only made for Canada. Apparently there's about 200 of them. I can't confirm or deny those numbers because you know what? I just read that somewhere. Now, this car's been sitting here for like 2 weeks. Oh, I honked the horn. Sorry. This car's been sitting here at Avenue of the Arts. These guys are amazing. They help us park cars from time to time. They always take care of us. We need a hotel. If you're ever in the area, come here. Now, let's test Honda's reliability. Ready? It's a Honda. Okay, I'm currently off to Protective Film Solutions where I dropped the Squadra Corsa off and I'm pumped to see the wrap, you guys. This car, obviously, you know I love it. I love the yellow, but we're DD. It needs to be brighter, louder, crazier. And I'll give you a little spoiler alert. It's not camo, so you can all calm down. Ready for the VTEC? VTEC! VTEC! All right, back at PFS, and look who I bumped into. This is totally random and not planned, I swear to God. We have Eric and Kevin. Kevin, people have been asking where you've been. Who's demanding more Kevin? Having fun. He's been having fun. He was in Taiwan with his family for a little while, and now he's back. Got the Viper. He's got an idea for some decals or a wrap for his Viper. So this car had an unfortunate engine failure at 90 miles. Basically, Kevin had to buy a new engine.
I'm gonna put a lemon on the side, like lemon filling out from the engine.
So he's gonna put lemons on it because it's a lemon. Yeah. I love that. He had to pay for the whole engine.
Yeah, they declined the warranty on a 90-mile car, so I have the right to put lemon on it, I believe. So.
You just like fruit, maybe. I don't know. They can't get mad at you for that. I think that's gonna be hilarious. Kevin has an amazing sense of humor about the situation. I'd be pissed. All right, boys, let's go check out the Squadra, which I'm so pumped.
Have you not got any of our phone calls?
No.
I literally have called you like 15 times in the past 3 days.
I've called probably 20 myself too.
Playing a prank on me right now.
What's in your pocket that's required for your car?
Keys, sunglasses, ddkshopd.com, AirPods, engine cover keys.
Oh, hey, this right here is what we've been looking for.
So you know how we disassemble cars to wrap them right?
Yeah.
So the engine bay was like the first part of the car we had to work on so we can build around it. And you had the keys.
And where were the keys?
Oh, Canada.
It's a 1 of 50 Squadra, so we didn't have many people to call on this one.
Should we show them the base color and then the next video they'll see the whole reveal because it's going to look a lot different?
Nah.
Check out this Tesla.
We have 3 white Model 3s today that no one's ever...
Where are you going, Eric? Where are you going? What do you think the base color is going to be? Leave a comment below. We'll wait. This is the first base color. Jason, what color is this?
Gloss light blue.
Gloss light blue.
Because you're a light kind of guy.
I'm a light kind of guy. You look good. You have the blue reflected on your face.
Yeah.
You look 2 years younger.
Shines all, thank you.
All right, let's go see the car.
Yeah.
There it is. You guys are busy at work now. The engine cover's finally off. Hey, my bad, guys. They don't want to talk to me. Literally, it's a week delay. I had them in Canada. So I had to wait. The car to sit here until I arrived an hour ago. Well, it's looking cool so far. So the base is this gloss light blue. There's a lot more coming, so it'll look a lot different. So it gives you a little taste of what's to come. Obviously, the top half of the car is going black right now, but there's multiple stages. There's layers.
So that's why they had to stop because we have to start with the base layer before they can continue on the rest of the graphics. You can't just move forward. Otherwise, we'd be happy.
Yeah, they don't do that here. They do it right.
We do full.
So when you took off the liners, was there lots of peanuts in there? Randy Savage, literally, him and his friends for a prank poured peanuts over the car. They all went down inside. I remember seeing them.
Yeah, it ended up being a snack for the guys.
Was there any nut allergies in here? I apologize in advance.
We have one guy homesick right now.
Here's what's cool. Look at the carbon paneling.
Surprised you haven't broke it yet.
Squadra, of course, you watch your mouth.
It's expensive.
It is expensive.
It's very expensive, Dave. Why do you have it?
Still confetti? That's confetti.
Oh my God.
I assume this is the AC condenser.
No, it's a lint roller.
It's a lint roller now. It's really cool seeing these cars come apart, to see all the engineering and stuff, and you see how much goes into them. This car was Lamborghini's first like assembly line, automated process, but a lot of the car was hand built. Yeah. I know that 'cause I bought a book on Lamborghinis the other day with my daughter at the library. You don't buy books at the library, you rent them. I don't qualify for a library card because of, I did some younger at the library. You know what the last Spider that ever made was off the production line? It was a red Performante Spider, right at the very end.
I didn't realize that.
They did. Fun fact with Dave and Jason, you guys.
Yeah. The more you know.
proper goodness from the Squadra. Look at the door panel. What's crazy is how light this thing is.
I know, you just gotta be careful with it. Yeah, hold it.
It literally weighs nothing. What do you think that weighs?
This thing
How many
weighs,
grams, Jason?
this weighs less than half a pound.
Hey, look at all the, like, what does that mean? Lunch break. But look at this, like, it's literally like, it's obviously hand built.
It's made right into it.
One question people have is the wing on the Squadra carbon? The best way to find out is to what?
I thought it is carbon, but when you live it up, it's not.
It's not carbon. It's grilled pieces off the back. You were saying that you're shocked they're actually metal, not plastic.
Here, it's not plastic.
Sounds like your head. What do you think of the blue, Eric?
It's changing the theme of the car, and then I know you are gonna have some.
Don't tell the audience. It's, guys, if you're watching this right now, like, oh, Dave made his car blue. Kind of. This is not a printed wrap, this is a layered wrap. There's many other elements coming in, like it'll look completely different when it's done. So the first hint at some of the multiple colors is obviously the hood being black.
Do a bumper delete again.
Front bumper delete? I want to do a headlight delete. Oh, headlight?
Put a flashlight in it?
No, you don't need that. What are you doing, Eric?
I'm trying to. Oh, it's light. Titanium.
Yeah, this one's titanium. It's actually the Lamborghini
Titanium.
It's
so light.
That's pretty cool, actually. All the details they put in this car make it as light as possible. This is the bumper. Oh, look at this. So much damage I've done to it. It looks pretty good, actually. Little whoopsie whoops there. Little whoops there. Little whoop whoops there. You can see it's got PPF on it.
We're going on top of the factory stripes because we don't want to mess with those. Whenever it comes to resale, that'll be a hard stripe to find.
Resale value is a big thing at DDE. You've been good to us, bro. You've been good to us. Thank you. You're brand new. You're brand new tow truck. Oh, now you work for us. Towing all of our broken cars. Check out this bright yellow GT2 RS.
I've seen a yellow GT2 RS.
With the bronze wheels. That is so sick. You look good in there, bro. We're friends that always making things happen for us.
Oh, you know.
Did you buy me something?
No. Indeed, it looks like it's shoes. You got a shoe sponsor now?
No, definitely. Wait, I mean, Adidas, call me. Oh, dude, that's sick.
That's rad.
I'm pumped.
Does it make you drive faster?
How'd you know I like shoes? Dylan from Portland, Oregon. That's where the shoes came from. I know her name's Dylan.
Yep.
Thank you so much for the shoes. Now here's the thing. The car's getting wrapped right now, so I'm gonna need a second pair. Oh my, I'm joking. These are super sick. I'm gonna wear them right now. These are my magic shoes. The best part is I totally matched the GT2 RS right now. Black and yellow. That's pretty funny. If I try driving it now, that probably won't be funny. The owner was like, that's not that funny, get out of my car. All right, Eric, what do you think?
It's paint. It's real paint. Yeah. It's missing a wing though.
It's in here.
Oh, it's in here?
Yeah, I was seeing the nuts and bolts for it. Right there, there's the wing. Tyler, you know, you could have sent the car a little bit cleaner. I love you, but like. Backstory on this car, if you missed that video, was Tyler Hoovie from Hoovie's Garage built this as a project for YouTube videos. Spent a ton of money, reupholstered the interior, actually painted the car, got the Fast and the Furious decals. It has nitrous oxide.
Yeah.
He used it one time and blew the engine immediately.
First time?
It's a video about it, literally in pieces on the highway. Raymond, who drives for Uber, was renting a car from Uber for $250 a week. So $1,000 a month off all his revenue is gone from renting the car. So I thought, let's get him a car so he makes some money. He's our bro, like, we gotta help him out. So we thought, let's get a Prius, good on fuel, makes more money that way. Plus, it's a Fast and the Furious car. We're gonna make a video later this week, you guys, on our first Uber pickups in the Prius. And we have a very special plan for that. It's gonna be a really good guess video. The car. So number one, we have I assume an Aston Martin, but what model?
It's a V12 manual.
Really?
It's got 1,000 miles on it.
And then we have obviously a Porsche. Yep. Don't tell them.
No.
Make them guess. There's a hint in the back. Can't tell what this one is.
It might be British.
It might be British. And then the Lambro. There's a big hint right here. So you guys, there's 4 cars there. Below, number it, 1, 2, 3, 4, what are the cars? You guys, this is Wayne's Koenigsegg that we drove, well, Damon drove a few videos ago with that crazy Bowden exhaust. Now, a few people in the comments are like, why is Damon always gonna drive the hypercars? The truth is, I've never asked. It's on the bucket list, I wanna drive a hypercar. And Wayne's a cool guy, so I'm pretty sure if I text Wayne when this car is done, he'd let me take it for a drive, because I think this would be the ultimate first experience in a straight piped Koenigsegg. This car is beautiful. Now if you're feeling bad, you don't have a Koenigsegg, you could have something in common with this car. If you have a Honda from the 90s, that's a bit sarcastic, but I just noticed this, and the springs, they're made by Eibach. I had Eibach coilovers on my Integra. Same. This is the craziest thing about PFS. Like, obviously they're the best in the game. You watch the Squadra, the car's completely in pieces, and they're doing it perfect. They also have the craziest inventory, from a G-Wagon to a second Koenigsegg to a Pagani Huayra in the corner. It's just crazy being in here. It's overwhelming. And then we have the Ford GT with the carbon wheels. And honestly, you guys, this is one of my most favorite cars in the world right now. You know, yes, we applied for one, we were not successful. However, our friend Shmi has one, and when I saw it, I was like, that's sick. Just the angles, the lines, like, look at this. All through there, like, name one car that looks like this. The blue looks good in there. This is the last generation gyro, so this bumper was only on the 14s, which is pretty unique. Apparently hard to replace, so I'm doing pretty good so far. No Damon damage yet. See, here's the thing, man. They say I wreck everything. Name one thing that I've wrecked. And Damon breaks everything. You've seen his cars.
He breaks more than you do.
All his front bumpers are split in half. Little oopsie there.
Little here and there.
The reality is that this car is not low whatsoever. This car is actually quite high. So to scrape it, obviously as the first owner, I wouldn't do that.
You're gonna give me a shout out. That's what you're gonna do, because I've been asking for so long.
You guys, please right now, go follow Logan on Instagram. His self-confidence is based on his follower count. Like I was saying before I was interrupted, I'm gonna let them finish. They have lots of work left to do on that car. There's many more colors coming. So you've seen the base color, but believe me, when you see the final result, it'll look much different. And I'm really excited. I wish I could show you guys, but I gotta make it work for it a little bit. Here's what I was just thinking while I was back there. I'm looking at Koenigsegg's and Paganis and all these beautiful cars that I'm fortunate enough just to see in person. And I was thinking about the Type R, because that was my dream car. That was like the car I always wanted as a teenager. And I actually owned it for 6 months, and I was too broke to keep it. And it really speaks to how life can give you something, take it away and give it again, and go and go and go based on how much work, you know, moment of appreciation for me. The best part is we're not even close to being done. We have so many things planned, projects, just things I can't even talk about. There's actually like, I can't get there. I can't get into it. However, stick around, you guys. They have lots coming over the next few years. It's really gonna keep you entertained. So Jason has this all black murdered out Vantage. He also is dressed all in black all the time. He might actually be John Wick, but to be fair, we'll call him Jason Wick from now on. So we're here in Laguna Beach, and this is the actual, you were telling me this in the car, this is the actual race car hood. And to modify that must have been a hell of a lot of work to put it on there.
It was like 40 hours of labor. 40? All of this. So this whole thing comes off, the whole hood lifts off.
Badass, all murdered out like that. Suits you. Jason Wick.
Jason Wick. I told you it was gonna happen. I was here 2 nights ago with my girlfriend. Look at it, I got a parking ticket. Same thing. Look what it's for.
No front and rear plates.
They can see that on there. It's the same ticket.
Oh, that's dirty because you're not even in the car right now.
Are you paying for this?
How much is it?
$43.
I cannot afford that.
John Wick doesn't have plates.
Jason Wick.
Jason Wick.
You're Jason Wick from now on, you guys. Want to know how dedicated they are? What's wrong with your brakes? I was saying, if you guys want to know how dedicated the team is here, it is currently 9:30 at night and they're working and honking at Jason. They really respect him here. Yeah, a lot of respect for Jason. Wow, I've got quite a few cars in here right now. If you could pick one car for you personally, what would you take? The Atlas? You're an Atlas guy, aren't you?
I'm an Atlas guy.
This thing's sick. Murdered out G-Wagon.
There's something that's really, really nice in here.
What?
It's right behind me.
Sick as this. Like, 50s era. Look at the luggage. Damon and I drove one in Victoria.
No.
Oh, back to around, yeah. It's like a $2 million car. Oh, really? You're trying to say I can't afford it?
No, you can afford it.
Because you're correct.
Oh.
I love that.
Candle power?
That's amazing.
We're PFS, bro.
That felt good. So if you had to pick, there's a gun to your head. This is a weird scenario. Life is weird sometimes though. You have to take the Huayra or the Koenigsegg CCX. What would Jason take?
Ooh, I really like the Huayra.
Jason Wick likes the Huayra.
But I drove this one, manual.
Holy sh**. That's insane.
Dude, I drove it at 5 miles an hour on the parking lot and stuff, nothing crazy, but even just like working with, oh, it's nuts.
What do you got for me, Jason?
It another one.
Oh, damn. Holy. This is sick.
It's 1 of 20, and it's blue Cepheus. I have another client who's got this car in a Roadster, and dude, this car is such a presence. Look at all carbon fiber.
Oh, dude, it's just insane.
Engine bay cover, the roof.
And look at this, the infamous Lamborghini key.
Yeah.
So don't lose that key.
Why, Dave?
They'll delay the process by 7 days and show up and like, where's my car? Why isn't it done yet? What hypercars do you have? What would you take?
I think I'd still take this.
You would take this, hey?
Can you imagine this is manual though? Can you imagine a manual?
No, look at it, you guys. Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Smash the subscribe button if you need some epic DD merch, which you do. Shopdd.com. Now here's the thing, this one's already sold out. There are hoodies that are sick. Free shipping, grab one. We have a new line dropping in about a month. We're actually gonna do a monthly drop of limited edition merch. So make sure you guys act quick because it goes fast.
Absolutely. Already sold out.
When did you sell out?
Oh, I already sold out.
I sold out years ago when, when Damon gave me this camera. Alright guys, see you next video. Thanks for watching. Peace. Alright guys, that's it for Eric. Eric has to go home now. He's got a girlfriend, responsibilities. You know, they have a kitten, kind of kitten together.
What's a kitten?
It's a small cat. Oh. It's a brand new cat. It's not fully formed yet. We call them kittens. Alright Eric, good to see you, man. I'll see you tomorrow.
Good to see you.
You going for the hug and I cut him off?